You know I can't help these, cause they know they can never touch these.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video let's talk about the methods. See what I can do. I'll create a function here. Okay, let's create another function. As I already told you, I already taught you like how we can create a function, but we will create again. Okay, so let's suppose I'll create the function here like void. Inside this class we will create speak, like a person can speak. No, for the function we can create like this. Okay, we have to close the function inside this bracket. Okay, so inside this is the class, and I this is the inner class of this class. Okay, and I have created this function inside this person class. Okay, because this is the behavior of the person. Okay, so similarly what we can have one more method. Okay, walk, right? A person can walk, no, like void walk. तो मैंने walk का भी create कर दिया, and I will write here some like I will print. Here I will write I will speak, and here I will write I can walk. Okay, correct. Okay, so now see what I can do. I can say that hey Shalu, first of all your name is Shalu because Shalu was just a variable name. Here you can see it's just a variable name. So I can add here like um, person dot name. Okay, I had created already dot name equal to, I will write here Shalu. Okay, okay, so if I run this program, see what happens. So this program is so let's run this program first, and then we will see what will print here. So this program will run from here. We have to create a person like this. Okay, we have to call here. Okay, and also we have to call dot walk. Okay, and here let's run now. So here you can see what's printing. It's printing I will speak and I can walk. Okay, okay, so let's create uh, one more object here, person. Let's suppose Shalu, I am adding this person, new person. Okay, new keyword always will be in small letter. Okay, and here what I will write, person dot name equal to, suppose John. Okay, and here what I'll do, not person, I'll take as Shalu dot name, and Shalu dot walk. Okay, so let's run this. Here you can see shalu.walk, and inside this walk what I have written, I can walk. So I can walk, this is printing for this one, this is printing for this shalu.walk. Okay, and automatically basically now see how magical this is. Like this name automatically get assigned to whatever object is called, correct? So here you can see I had created walk, then you can see here it's saying I can walk, and person.speak, this method is going on, and this it will saying I will speak, and then after person.walk again I am created this is another object, then you can see it's creating like it's printing I can walk. Okay, so so here it is automatically get assigned to whatever object it's called. Okay, so if I say if I say John don't walk, automatically it prints out John is walking. Okay, so these things are like really great about OOPS. So this is what we can call as modularity, and similarly I can say that hey Shalu, go ahead and speak something. So if I will write here like person.speak, let's suppose person.speak, and you can name as, let's suppose here Shalu, and you can give as a zone, let's suppose it will be very easy to understand. So here no Shalu dot name Shalu, okay, and John dot name John. Okay, and here you have printed already, you have printed John, and here you can give Shalu. Okay, okay, so these two are printing. We have accessed this methods from the person, and this is class, and this is particular object. Okay, okay, so let's suppose inside this speak, if I will write here my name is or I'll print your name, okay, plus, and my age is 21. Okay, and then I'll print here age. Okay, now if I will write here, if I will write Shalu dot age equal to, let's suppose 21, and here I'll write Shalu dot speak. Okay, first I have assigned this age here, and after then let's run. So what, my name is Shalu and my age is 21. Okay, so I have printed two times, so let's remove first one, let's remove this one, this, because this is little bit confusing. Okay, now my name is Shalu and my age is 21. Okay, my age is, let's run again. Now you can see my name is Shalu and my age is 21. Okay, so this is the printing. Okay, so this is how you can have your properties and your method. Now let's see parameterized method. Okay, so let's pass actually. So inside this method, let's suppose I'll pass some message here. Okay, the message will be like let's suppose I'll pass inside this message, this is me. Okay, I will pass here, and then you have to create the argument as well inside the method, otherwise it will give some error. Here if you will click on this, then if you will go here, then inside this speak method you can see we have string. Okay, message you can write like this, message you can give some meaningful name. So message I have given. Now you can print here the message, what message is coming. Okay, let's remove this and let's print again. So you can see whatever message is passing inside this method, my name is this, my name is, okay, what is my name is, and message is, what is the message, this is me, okay. So this is printing what I have given, this is printing here, okay. Okay, so this is like we can see it's a parameterized method, okay. So we can pass the message like this, okay. So let's see now return type method, how we can add some return type, okay. So let's suppose I am creating your int add, and here this is parameter int b, and here we will print, here we will return a plus, we will return the sum of a plus b. Now we have to call this method from this class, from this main method, otherwise it will not run, okay. So what you will do, here you have to, how you can return this, so here you have to write like this int result. Let's suppose inside this result it will print, it will give the addition of these two values. Now you can give the static value as well. So first of all you have to write your class name, let's suppose person, because inside the person you have created the method of the additions, okay. So this add, and here you will pass 2 and 3, static method, static value I am passing, okay. Okay, we have to make as static because A and B. Now if you will run this program, you need to print here first, sort and result you need to print, then you can see whatever value you have given, this will be add here. See here, it is adding 5. So what is returning? It's returning the sum of two variable, whatever value we are passing inside this method, okay. So whatever value, like we have created this method inside the person class, okay. But actually add should not be inside the person class, so we create a calculator class, we have to create another calculators class. Let's suppose this should not be inside the person class, okay. So we will create a calculator here, calculator class, okay, and we will create a constructor, okay, class. So let's create a calculator class first. See here, we have created a method constructor, okay. Not this one, not like this. We can create constructor like this as well, but we will not create like this, because first of all we will create a calculator class manually from here, class calculator. Okay, and here we will make the constructor, okay. Inside this constructor we will pass the parameter int add, and here int whatever we have written inside the person class we will write here as well, int a and int b. We have two variable which is integer. Now you can return a plus b like this, okay. Now you have created this calculator class and you have created this method. Inside this method you are returning a plus b, okay, and here you can see I'm calling inside this main method. Okay, we have to make this static because this is the static method. Okay, publish static void main. Okay, now let's run this program and let's see. Now you can see 5 is coming, so now this is valid. Okay, okay, so now this is the benefit of the oops. This is modularity, as I already told you. This is the benefit of the, already told you about all this benefit of the oops. So this is one of the main benefit of the oops concept, modularity. Okay, so let's talk about this keyword. Okay, what is keyword? So keyword means keyword. Okay, so let's suppose we have created this void speak. Okay, void speak. Okay, and inside this void speak we have added this message, like the message whatever is coming from the method as well. So let's suppose I have created this, and if I am passing name only. Okay, if I'm passing name, and let's comment it out. And here if I'm writing, I let's suppose let's print again this dot name, this dot name. So this is keyword here. Okay, okay, this is keyword here, and also the new is keyword of the Java. So all this thing is keyword only. So this is keyword here, and how you are accessing this, why we are using this is this, because this is keyword and we can access this value, this variable from this main class only. So that's why this is keyword here. Okay, okay, so if you will print, if I will write like this, Shalu dot name equal to, let's suppose, Shara. Okay, and Shalu dot speak. Here I am sending some message like some random name. Okay, I will comment this one and let's run. Here what is printing? Sarah. Okay, Shalu dot name. Here we have printed Shara, and here you can see again Shara is printing. Got it? So now calling method inside the method using this. Okay, this method. Okay, this is the method speak, and again we are calling this method. So you can use, you can call this method inside the method using this only. So this is the keyword. Okay, and also this is the method walk. Here you can see walk. Then you can also, like, this dot speak, you can write like this. Okay, and also if you want to speak, here you need to pass some message, because some parameter, because it is already passing. Okay, this dot walk, not like this. Here you can write this, you can write like this dot walk. Okay, and this dot speak. you can pass this. No, you can write like there as well, and here you can print. Okay. So how this keyword works? Okay, so let's suppose this dot speak random name I have written. It's printing I can walk because we are calling this method inside this method, and you can see I'm calling this from here shalu.speak, this without a bond exception. Okay, so in case if you don't use this keyword, and compiler automatically injects it, but this is the good practice to use this. So that's all for this video, and for the next video we will be starting with the pillars of the oops. Okay, and we will understand how oops is working, and so until then, bye bye and take care. Thank you so much.
You know I can't help these, cause they know they can never touch these.